Hello everyone! Welcome back to Technic 4's Learning. In this video, we're going to talk about what are Quora topics and how to target them for visibility. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what are topics on Quora. Topics categorize content on Quora, can be applied to questions and blog posts, are usually meant to describe the subject of the question or blog post. Here are a few ways you can interact with topics. You can follow topics in order to receive content related to those topics in your Quora feed. You can also mute topics if you want to take a break from seeing related content in your feed. And you can indicate expertise or interest in a topic via a topic credential, which will inform people about what makes you qualified to answer a question related to that topic. Next, how do I follow or unfollow topics on Quora? When you follow a topic on Quora, your feed will start to include content, such as new questions and answers, relevant to that topic. Please note, you're not guaranteed to see all of the topic content in your feed. This depends on the amount of activity from other topics and people you're following. You can follow any topic on Quora through a few different ways. Here's how you do it on the web. Anywhere you see a topic name, for example, you are reading a feed or looking at the topics that a question is tagged with, you can hover over the name and then click on the follow option that appears. Or, from any topic page, you can click on the follow topic button, located just below the topic name and description. Now here's how you do it on the mobile web or the Quora app. You can click on any topic names, which will take you to a topic page. And from any topic page, you can tap on the follow button. To unfollow a topic, simply follow the same steps that I have mentioned for any topic you're already following. Instead of a follow button, you should see unfollow and click on that to unfollow the topic. Next, how can I create a new topic on Quora? You can add a new topic by typing one into any box where it says Select Topics and clicking Add or hitting Enter. Instead of choosing one out of the drop-down, you can get these boxes via the Edit link next to the topics on any question page, or by editing your topics on your profile, or editing the ontology on the topic. Next, how do I add topics to a question on Quora? There are a couple of ways you can add topics to a question. First, when adding a new question, one of the steps is topic selection. As you go through the process, Quora will suggest topics to add to the question. You can select from these, as well as search for and add other topics. Once a question is added to Quora, you can add topics by going to the questions page and selecting the three-dot menu located under the question text and selecting Edit Topics from the drop-down list. Now, let's talk about topic targeting. Question and answer pages are grouped into topics on Quora. Target topics relevant to your business to deliver contextually relevant ads at scale. Where will my ads appear? As a form of contextual targeting, topic targeting shows ads alongside question pages and feeds that are tagged with specific topics. This contextual strategy is a good indicator of relevancy and intent on Quora. Next, when do I use topic targeting? Topic targeting is the most widely used targeting option on Quora ads. Businesses can obtain broader scale and reach while maintaining contextual relevance. Topic targeting also maximizes your impression potential, so it can be used for all campaign objectives. And here's how to set up topic targeting. Number 1. Click your desired campaign. Next, click Create Ad Set and name your ad set. Next, under Choose Primary Targeting, select Contextual Targeting. Topic targeting will be the default selection. Next, topics can be added manually into the Targeted Topics field. You can also enter relevant keywords into the bulk ad tool to receive suggestions for comparable Quora topics. Next, select your secondary targeting preferences and feed. And lastly, click Update to save your changes. And lastly, I will give you best practices for topic targeting. Number 1. Leverage topics that are relevant to you. Look for keywords you use on other advertising platforms that have been effective. These keywords can translate well into Quora topics. Identify keywords within your ad copy that might align with existing topics on Quora. And your company or product may have an existing topic on Quora, which can be added to your targeting. Then, your competitors, their products, and their services may have existing topics on Quora you can target. You can also explore related companies or partner industries. Number 2. Expand your reach. In the same campaign, use topic targeting and interest targeting in separate ad sets to test which targeting type works best for your goals. Number 3. Strike a balance. Make sure you are targeting relevant topics and selecting enough topics to ensure reach. Being too specific limits your campaign's potential reach, whereas selecting relevant topics may lower lead quality and hurt performance. Lastly, install a Quora Pixel. The Quora Pixel lets you evaluate conversion data for your campaigns in the Quora Ads Manager, driving insights that can help optimize your performance and meet your goals. And there you have it, all the things you need to know about topics on Quora. I hope you find this video helpful. And before this video ends, say goodbye to traffic woes and start driving quality traffic today. Make any business profitable with lower ad costs, higher conversions from Facebook ads, get leads, buyers, make sales, and outperform every competitor in any niche by using Amplify by Techniforce. It's a cloud-based SaaS, newbie-friendly, and 7-in-1 toolset. It's the ultimate traffic suite with Page Watcher, Hidden Audience Finder, Behavioral Targeter, Page Targeter, Email List to Audience, Ad Decorator, and Return of Investment Calculator. So, go ahead and try it out. Just go to getamplify.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.